I got a package today, really fast shipping. I ordered it yesterday, and yeah, it's like 20 bucks total. They didn't deliver one item which was not on stock anymore for some reason, but that's okay. It's a USB cable. I have plenty of them. I just wanted one new. But what you gonna do? Let's see. Here's a charger. And it's from Hoco. Safety certified products, premium product, blah 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 blah. Single port safety. Why is it safe if you have one port? Okay, I guess it's safer than two, that's for sure. Fast charge, yeah, so it doesn't do quick charge, just fast at 2 amps. Wide voltage input, oh yeah, because they are not going to make different versions for different regions. This is the simplest way. Fireproof. That's a challenge. And I think somebody will accept it, but I need this charger. I don't want to burn it. Safe and secure. Multiple circuit protection. Okay. And on the back, Hoco. Scan for authentication, and it's covered. Okay. You can't scan it. Yeah, 10 watts. Okay, let's see what's inside. There should be a lightning cable, which I don't use because I have an Android. Where do you open it? Not the top, the bottom. Okay, and you need to remove the sticker. Come on. Yeah, I'll just cut it open like an animal, like this. This was $4 and I'm not sending it back. Maybe if it doesn't work. Yeah, that's when I send it back. If it doesn't work. Because I really need this as a main charger to have less complications with a 12-volt adapter and a car charger. So yeah, it pretty much says the same thing as on the box. Shenzhen. Yeah, it's safe to use in the house, not in the garden. Don't throw it in the trash. 3 clover leaf, whatever. Hoco. And the USB. And the crappy lightning cable that I'll just chop off the end of. And it will be micro USB or Type C. Okay. Instruction manual. I mean, you plug it in and it charges. Okay. Hard to understand. And the other thing in the package, let's just throw these away. I'll test it later and make another video probably. This is a big thing. Let's see. Oh, it's just GC on the front and the back. Eco-friendly box. Okay, I can see that. It's a crappy box. Trademark, blah blah blah. The highest quality. I'm sorry. You're not supposed to laugh at that. They mean it. The highest quality laptop battery for those who value reliability and safety. So this should mean that the capacity is shit, but at least it's reliable and safe. Okay. This is just funny. Okay. It has a nice little manual here. Yeah, I'm not going to open this. This is a huge sheet. 10-30 degrees C. That's when it works properly. Whatever. And here's the battery. boy, it's a big boy. Oh boy, this is huge. And I got it for 16 bucks. Am I counting that right? It was 80 lions, Romanian lions. So let's cut this open. Just tear it. And wow, this is huge. And this should have 9 batteries inside. I don't know how they achieved that. This is very strange. It should have 2 here. Or just 1 here. And 8 in the... It's pretty long, so... Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it can have 8 and 1 more in the top. Let's see what it says here. Oh, it's for the model blah blah blah. 6600 milliamp hours because there are 3 cells in parallel. 3 cells of 2200. So yeah, this seems legit. It has the weight. You can always know that cells are missing or the cells are crap if it doesn't have enough weight. And it's for this Asus or something laptop, but I don't care. I will just take it apart and see. First, I will make a separate video about this, but I just want to check the voltage before I open it, because if it doesn't have any voltage, I just want to send it back. So yeah, I need some voltage. Yeah, I need to put something in there, like 2 screwdriver bits, and measure between. Yeah, like this. And like this. And don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone I do stuff like this. It's just between you and me. Come on, a smaller bit. And try not to short it out. Oops. I ruined something there. What did I do? Whatever. Positive, negative. As you can see, 10.71 divided by 3. That may be a problem. Let's see. 10.71 divided by 3. 357. So this is a depleted battery. Right now it's depleted, but the voltage is good as long as all the cells have the same voltage. So yeah, I'll do some research. I'll probably keep it and tear it down and use the cells for something else. That was my initial plan. So yeah, 10.7. That may be on the low side, but yeah, we'll see in the next video.